Ba Persatuan Tensong sembut mitrang ba kejelau loong ba kesorkar jelah kahab bandi hisya kesorkar India nak benta banyo jingmenjur ban penteri kami ke nelayan permit ILP hak kejelah. Kani kejuba ba Persatuan kelawan hadian ke jingkili nak kinang pathai kubor lo ke jingjak kentian khasi bat jentia district nak Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 hak notification kebala penmi yak khatwai turik no pra arja khat khandai kaba kenthum yak jela manipur banyo penteri kami ka ILP kuman chukudo ba ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jela kala manjur yak resolution bandawa penteri kami ke nelayan permit kamo thumu ban tela kami ka jingwan rung ki brio ban sabar ka jela hak khat khandai turik no pra arja khat khandai kaba long hapeng kubrang klik bah ka chiki persya yak Citizenship Amendment Act usumbut mitrang ba ulong bala don makana ru ka sarkar jela kan hab de hisya sarkar India nak benta ka notification nomor ke jela ke khlam penteri kam syu las tamba ulong ba ka sarkar India kan hab menra abiang ha parliament bat kam dei tang ba syu ong nak notification
Api nak kata daw ng api ba kat kabdon syu na du way back ha to 2000 outside 2020 oh no 19 from 2019 an ring an youtube hi la da kadon makanaru ngi ngap le ji ke government of India for notification nomor belai kelalong nomor hangi klaim implement jute kan no post name ju ko bang implement eta again it has to go to the government of India and then government of India has again to bring in the parliament mende ba kabsyu ong mere notification ILP also along part at pasal juga so kadaiban led through a proper channel from the home ministry. Again, it will go to the parliament. Then, passed, nangta notification will come. Kalau dah, see, we are not satisfied. That's what we keep pursuing this issue. If we satisfied, then why should we pursue the matter? We still keep pursuing. We still keep meeting, and we are going to do that till we get the signal very, very clearly, yes or no. For that, yes, we wanted to put pressure. The pressure is still on. CM, when he goes to Delhi for any other meeting, he keep meeting Home Minister, he keep meeting even the Prime Minister. So I think that itself, you understand the spirit from the government side, that we don't just leave aside that, but we still pursuing with the government of India very, very actively on this issue.